In front of me is Redmi 14C, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. All you need to do is open the Gallery app and hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. Then hit select all at the top right corners. Tap on one of your photos that you wish to keep or multiple by selecting those blue dots at the bottom right corners. And when you're ready, delete the rest thanks to remove button at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!